Welcome children. Welcome back to the class 1. Subject English. So take out your English textbook. Topic lesson number 5, my best friend. So what is the name of our lesson number 5 children? My best friend. Yes. In the previous video we have started our lesson number 5 of English, that is my best friend. Hope you got that very well children. In today's video, we are going to continue with that portion, with that lesson, that is my best friend. So children, shall we move forward? You have to open now page number 42. Before start our portion, let us revise. If you got the previous video very well, so you can give the answer very well. So question number 1, what is this lesson all about? What is this lesson all about? As we know, what is the name of our lesson number 5 children? My best friend. Yes. So, as we have learned in the previous video, this lesson is all about friendship. This lesson is all about friendship. Yes. Second one, where does the little girl's friend live? Question number 2 is, where does the little girl's friend live? So the answer is, the little girl's friend lives inside the mirror. The little girl's friend lives inside the mirror. Got it children? Yes. Now we will move to our next portion. As you can see this on page number 42. See this picture children. Both are playing. Yes, both are shouting. We play, run, shout and scream together. Now both are playing. In the previous video, what did we learn children? That the little girl, she is calling her friend to come out from the mirror. But her friend, she is not coming out from the mirror. That's why she went to sleep. She went to sleep because she know very well that she comes out from the mirror when she sleeps. Yes, her friend will comes out from the mirror when she go to sleep. So that's why she went to sleep. Now they are playing, running, shouting and screaming together. Yes, we play, run, shout and scream. Scream, it means what children? A loud noise. A sharp, loud noise. Yes. Hope you are getting. See this picture? What are they doing? When I talk to her, she also talk to me. Now they are playing with each other. Yes. Now the little girl, she is talking to her and she also talking to that little girl. Yes, her friend also talking to her. Now that activity where we can see? Yes, we can see that when she went to sleep, no? After that, this activity we can see. See this? In the morning, my friend will go back into the mirror. Now, in the morning time, that little girl's friend will go back into the mirror because She lives in mirror. That's why in the morning time she will go back into the mirror. See here children, what this picture shows us. But I do not mind at all. We will play again in my dreams. Now, as we have seen in the previous video, that little girl, she went to sleep. Now we can see she is still there. She is on bed. It means all these activity, play, scream, shout, they did in the dream of little girl. Yes, but I do not mind at all. Yes, why? That in the morning, that little girl's friend, she went again go back in the mirror, but she don't have any problem because she know that they will play again. Where? In her dreams. In her dreams. Yes, children. So in this way, we have learned this interesting story. Is it interesting? No? Yes. I hope you got that. Now, you have to open page number 44, children. Yes? Open everybody. Very good. Now here, as you can see on the top of the page, vocabulary. Yes? Today, we are going to see the opposites. So children, we are going to learn about opposites. What is mean by opposite? So try to read with me children. Keep your finger on the first line. Opposites. When a word is completely different from another word, we say the two words are opposites. So what is mean by opposite? When a word is completely different from another word. So that time we say the two words are opposites. Yes? See, now here, see this picture? Big and small. Big and small. We can see this tree is a big. This tree is a big and second one is a small. Second one is a small. Here, this one thing is a totally different from another. This one word big is a totally different from that word. Yes? So first word is totally different from the another word. Big opposite small. Big opposite small. See this next picture. Can you identify this? This one is a bus. And we know bus is a fast. Yes? Bus runs fast. Second one. Can you identify this? This is a snail. And it walks slowly. So, fast and slow. Fast opposite slow. So, this word, first one fast, is totally different from the second word slow. This one word is totally different from the another word. So, fast opposite slow. So, fast slow, these are opposites. Big small opposite. Got it children? Hope you are getting. Next one, see this picture. Can you identify this? This is a box. Yes. First box is a close and second one is a open. Yes. So these two words are opposites. These words are opposites. Yes. Close opposite open. Close opposite open. So this is called opposites. Now we are looking the examples with pictures. Yes. First one happy. Second one sad. The first word happy is different from the another word. So Happy opposite sad. So this is a opposites. Yes, happy opposite sad. Hope you are getting, children. Now for examples, as you can see this in your textbook itself, dry opposite wet, dry opposite wet, open opposite close, as we have seen with the picture of box, open opposite close. Here dry and wet are opposites, dry and wet are opposites, so are open and close also opposite. Like dry and wet, open and close also opposite words. Got it, children? See, this exercise you can see in your textbook. Match the opposite words. Here, left side you can see the numbers with words, and right side you can see the alphabet letters with some words. Now we have to match. These all are opposite words. Now we have to match that properly. So number one, happy. Number one, happy. So what is the opposite of happy, children? Sad. Happy opposite, sad. Inside. What is the opposite of inside, children? Outside. Very good. Number three, laugh. Laugh opposite, cry. Laugh opposite, cry. Number four, morning. Morning opposite, evening. Morning opposite, evening. Number five, sleep. Sleep opposite, wake. Sleep opposite, wake. So we have match here, children. Like that you have to also match. Now B exercise, work in pairs. Write the opposites of these words. Here we have to write the opposite words, as I have written here the answer of this word. Number one, cold. So what is the opposite of cold? Cold opposite, hot. Cold opposite, hot. Second one, down. Down opposite, up. Down opposite, up. Number three, good. Good opposite, bad. Good opposite, bad. Number four, slow. Slow opposite, fast. Slow opposite, fast. Number five, white. White opposite, black. White opposite, black. So children, what is your PH? You have to write this exercise A and exercise B in your textbook. Yes? Hope you are getting it very well. You have to read this lesson properly and you have to write this exercise. So in this way, we have completed our lesson. In the next video, we are going to learn action words. So till then, thank you.